What is the accounting process? The accounting process can be summarized as below. Organizing the transaction is always the first step. In this step, we look at whether the account involved in the transaction are assets, liabilities, rather new expense, or capital. We're also going to see whether this transaction falls under a cash transaction or a credit transaction. We're going to do that in the next lecture. Once the organizing has been done, we can go ahead and record the transaction in the general journal. And we also call this just the journal. In short, once this is done, we can post the transaction to the ledger and then create a trial balance. Once our trial balance balances, we know that everything is falling in place. We can then go ahead and create the financial statements, such as the cash flow statement, the profit and loss, and the balance sheet. We are also trying to create the bank book and the cash book. We'll do some special ledgers, some subsidiary ledgers as well, and it's going to be fun, but those parts are not really necessary in order to create the financial statement. However, they are part of this accounting series, and if you've taken the entire package deal, you're going to go through that as well, which is going to help you a lot more later on.